Welcome to the party. Shock and we're ready to have some fun for the party. We're both twins, actually. Wait, here comes earrings. Earrings, do you want to slip down to the water? Wait, I'm a ice cream. I think I won't be hot from that. You could jump in too. Wait, I have to get some food for the party. Okay. Let's have some food. Spaghetti. Peanut butter. Is there any food over here? Nothing. A present and a birthday. And then for the cool us down. Bzz, bzz, warm us up. Except her. We have holes, right? Holes too. I forgot. Sorry. Wait, we're not supposed to go inside the water. We get all ruined. I forgot. Now we have to wait out here. Okay, everyone jump in again. Wait, where's the house at? Housey? Where are you, house? Well, however you are. House, are you under here? House. Oh no, I'm trapped. I'm over here. Okay, now I'm done. House, are you gonna turn when I'm a grown up? I'm gonna be a school. Whoa. Hello everyone. I fit in that pool? No way. Yeah, can we fit? Wait, let's go in the pool. Wait, can all the children go in the pool? Not everyone who has no hold wearing stockings. All stockings in the pool. Wait, so we get all out? Everyone out. It's time to eat. And then we have to dry it all up from the van. Van. Ready? Another one. Okay. The other cat. Okay. Clean. Okay. Nice. Okay, everyone's done. Now let's follow. Wait, I forgot. You guys sit. Let's eat now. I still got some more food. Let's get some more. I'm gonna get some. Where? I can't see. Cherries? Where? Oh, cherries. Peanut butter. Forgot the peanut butter at the store. Chocolate. Another. Oh wait, I forgot. Kit Kat. Chocolate chip. Ooh, orange. Where's another orange? I need more oranges. Who has more oranges? Do you have any more oranges? You better be. You better. Oranges, where are you? Oh, here's another one. Here's another orange. Oranges, twinsies. What does that mean? Everyone, it's time to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Nice day today, right? And me too. Ha ha ha. Everyone to school. Ready? It's time to go into school. Oh no, the door is locked. We need the key, y'all. Bye-bye. Shockers are fun. Ching. Shockin', wait. What does that mean? Jump. Jump. Everyone in, please. Everyone in. Everyone in. Okay, ow. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See ya next time in the next video. Everyone check it.